So now today we are going to solve one Python program. First, ideally, and then what we see यहाँ हमारी ideally open हो गई है, and then we are going to write some variables, and then we create one extra variable where we add both numbers and then print. It is a very simple program. So first of all, there is a type of variable, and the value of a is 10, and then b, which is equal to 20. Now what we see, the value of a is equals to 10 and the value of b is equals to 20. So if we are accessing somewhere a, it means we are accessing 10, and if we are accessing somewhere b, it means we are accessing 20. Now we need to create one extra variable, that is sum, which is equals to a plus b. Now what we see, whatever value in a and b, both are added under a variable sum. And then there is a click, and what we need to write, we need to print this sum. So what we see, print in double inverted comma the sum of two numbers, the sum of two numbers is equals to, and then we need to close with double inverted comma with comma, and then we need to write that variable where we store the sum of two numbers, that is sum, and then double inverted comma close. And then equal to. So what we see, the sum of two number is equals to 30. Now see, if we need to subtract both numbers, then what we do, we need to create variable like diff, and then it is equal to a minus b, and then enter. After this we need to print the difference of two number, so we write print in double inverted comma, in under a bracket, in double inverted comma, the difference of two numbers is equals to, and then double inverted comma close, and then we need to write variable which is diff, and then it is close. And now what we see, the difference of two number is minus 10. Suppose we need to print the multiplication, means product of both numbers, so we create variable p, which is equals to a into b, and then print. If we are writing without double inverted comma, then we can write here print in this way, and then this will be closed. So what we see, the product of both number is 200, but if we want to print appropriate message for our output, then we need to write in double inverted comma, that is the product of and then comma p. So what we see, the product of two number is 200. Now see, we are going to print modulus value as well as division value. Means suppose there is a variable d which is equal to a divided by b, and then equals to. So what we see, print in the double inverted comma the division value of a and then we need to write the variable name. So what we see, the division value of a and b is 0.5. Clear? And if we are using mod symbol, like d1 is equals to d1 is equals to b mod, where is mod, this is mod a, and then print the modulus, the mod value of a and b is equals to, and then double inverted comma close. After this there is a variable where we store the mod value, which is d1, and then this will be close. So now what we see, the mod value is of, so there is a mod value of a and b is d1 is 0. Mod is also represented for storing remainder value, and slash means divide symbol is store for representing quotient value.